What's up, Julian? What's up, bud? What you got going on?
Getting this ferry order out.
All right, let's check it out.
Yeah, let's check it out. Today we're working on 95.5. We have a blanket order for a customer for 20,000 pounds. We're also working the furnace for the micro rod for our farrier industry. So we did just get that 20,000 pound blanket PO, 7337. We're gonna get it done.
Oh yeah, 20,000 pounds. Whew, that's gonna be a lot, but I think I can get it done.
Buenos días, muchachos.
Buenos días.
¿Qué están corriendo? Ok, se mira bien, vamos a completarla.
Always really cool to see what they got going on.